American people are not out at the ramparts saying we can't do this. They haven't manned the parapets.
Well, I don't know, Governor. I think a lot of them are having the you-know-what scared out of them because they're hearing news of this and they're saying, gee, I guess we won't be able to eat. We won't be able to go out in public. A lot of mentally ill won't be getting their meds, so they'll be out on the streets killing us. I mean, this is off-the-wall stuff.
Well, look, we're talking about a tiny, tiny fraction of the federal budget, which, as you say, $3.5 trillion, $100 billion of that is less than 3%. And the American people know the government could save 3% in a heartbeat. What's wrong with the sequestration is the way it will be done.
Right.
We've already voted to cut defense spending nearly $500 billion over 10 years, and now here's another cut almost that large. The domestic discretionary side, spending on that side has exploded. Even when you make these cuts, for most of those categories, they will be far higher than when Barack Obama came into office. So I hope and believe the Republicans will allow the sequestration to go into effect so that we can start down a path of trying to get control of spending and reduce the deficit by savings, because I'm like most Americans. I don't think we have a $1 trillion+ deficit every year because we tax too little. It's because we spend too much.